Azizz, and we're about to try out Wealthsimple Crypto. So I got an email a couple of days ago basically saying that I'm off the waitlist for Wealthsimple Crypto. So I decided, why not make a video of me signing up for everything and even buying cryptocurrency. So let's get started. So we're going to look at my email over here saying that I'm good to go with Wealthsimple Crypto. Basically, from what it's telling me right here, to get started, you have to download the latest version of the Wealthsimple Trade app. Already done that. And then you go to the accounts tab on Wealthsimple Crypto account. Make a deposit and your funds will be ready in 5 business days. So let's go into Wealthsimple Trade real quick. Accounts, crypto. Oh, so it's just a bunch of different agreements over here. Next, add money to your account. Alright, let's add some funds. I want to put in $600 into this crypto account. And then we're just going to submit the deposit and wait 3 to 5 business days.
4 to 6 more days later.
And I'm back after 5 business days. You know, I live in Toronto and 5 days makes the difference between summer and fall, as you could tell by this hoodie. Alright, so I'm just gonna log into Wealthsimple. The crypto account is right over here. Everything looks the exact same as Wealthsimple Trade. The only difference is they only give you 2 different options of either Bitcoin or Ethereum. Bitcoin at the current moment is going for $14,000 and Ethereum is going for $501. You all know that I'm going to be buying Ethereum because I think Bitcoin is a little bit too expensive for us to just try out. So what you have to do is exact same as Wealthsimple Trade. So we're just going to press buy over here. Okay, we understand trading cryptocurrency is very risky. We do understand that, so we're going to click over here. What we're going to be doing here is buying exactly 1 Ethereum coin. So they say estimated buy price is 509 and estimated sell price is this. There seems to be a spread which usually happens with currencies in general. So what we're going to be doing over here is just playing around with the numbers until we can actually get to 1 Ethereum coin.
So we do 509 over here, that's 1 Ethereum coin, 508, 101, 507, 101, 506, 101, 505, 101. So you go to 100. Okay. So $514, let's continue.
So what we're going to do over here, we're going to press confirm order. And the order will be sent in right now. And purchase is complete. Now I have 510 Canadian dollars worth of Ethereum. And as you can see, very similarly to Wealthsimple Trade, you see your portfolio which has Ethereum at a value of $499.39. To see how much we filled, you go to the little person in the top left corner, press activity, and then you see over here Ethereum market buy of $510. It filled at 1 Ethereum coin exactly at 508.41. The difference between 510 and 508.41 is the actual spread itself. So as you can see, now we've got cryptocurrency under our investment portfolio. I want to hear from you guys. Would you rather buy Ethereum or Bitcoin? Let me know in the comment section down below and I'd love to hear your opinions on this. Anyways, thank you for watching. This is me, Azizz, signing out. Peace.